Hello and welcome back again to my channel Susan Good TV. In today's video guys, I'm going to be sharing with you on how I made this beautiful hair for my daughter, and with just 1.5 Brazilian wool. So if you want to know how we achieve this hair, just watch this video till the end. So firstly, I apply rosemary oil water on the hair. I normally do it before I start making my kids' hair. So at times I show it, at times I don't show it, but I normally spray their hair with oil and water because I added a little also oil to the water to just make the hair oily, because this thing is really good for hair, and I'm gonna be using a jam for the hair too. So what I did, I cut the hair into 3 parts, and I'm starting from the front of one, and I just cut one out and started weaving it down. So I'm just gonna do only cornrow at the front of the hair. So after this, I'm gonna also make the other side the same way. I'm gonna also make one cornrow at the front. So this is the Brazilian wool I'm going to be using, and I will be adding 4 strands of Brazilian wool to it because I just want to make the tiny parts, the tiny strands. Alright, so that is why I'm not adding too much, and because a natural hair, so we don't want to add too much, so it will not be too heavy on their hair, because I'm not starting it from the beginning. So if you are adding any extension on the tip of the hair, it should be tiny, so to protect the hair. So the way I did this, the same way I'm doing the other side. So this is the part. So now this one I just start now. I'm gonna weave this one on its own. So I'm gonna also weave the other part, which what I'm trying to explain is, so these 3 parts, they're gonna stand on their own. So here is how I cut this part, and I'm going to end it in this very place now, and I'll weave inside to the other side too. So because it's gonna be like 3 parts, so I'll end it there. So this is how I will also, the same way I made this side, the same way I'm going to make the other side. I hope you guys understand the way I'm explaining it now, because if you don't understand it, just see the way I'm doing it, guys. So another thing I also want to talk about hair, because I normally see some people, they write me, some people they call me, and they say they like, how am I really making my kids hair? They see they don't disturb, and they feel comfortable making their hair. Some said their kids don't allow them to make hair. Okay, like this, my daughter, she's the third of my third child, and when I started making her hair, she don't allow me. I cut her hair very low, like you cannot even hold it. I just barb her hair low cut, and when she saw her siblings making their hair, she felt bad, and she started making her hair again. Okay, so she don't really like it when I cut her hair. So making her hair, most times she tell me she don't want to do it. I'll ask her, do you want me to cut your hair? Because there's no way you're gonna leave your hair like this. Either you cut it or you make it. She tell me, okay mommy, I want to make it. And another thing is, I allow her to choose the style she wants. Trust me guys, whenever I want to make my kids hair, I bring out my phone, I just type style, and whichever style they choose is what I'm going to make for them. This gives kids this joy, it makes them happy, and it makes them want to make their hair. Like as I was making this hair right now, she was also asking me, like she's gonna choose another one next time. I hope I will gonna make it for her. I told her yes, of course. If you will be brave, I will make it for you. So what I'm trying to say, when you're making your kids' hair and they don't allow you to make their hair, you know, girls, they like competition. They like want to look like what they like. At times, something from the cartoon or something like that, you know. So just like show them the kids' hair and ask them if they want their hair to be like this, if she wants her hair to be like this. So definitely she will say she wants it. So whenever she don't want to see it, you just have to tell her, okay, if you want your hair to be like that hair she chose, she'll allow you to make some hair. Another thing is, when you're making kids' hair, try as much as possible to be fast, because when you're not fast enough, they become bored and they want to go and play. So, and sometimes she wants to hold the mirror, sometimes she wants me to give her chew gum, sometimes she wants biscuits, sometimes the things that I normally give her before, she don't want those things, you know, and sometimes she wants them. So just try and see the kind of hair, the kind of thing they want while they are making their hair, to make them sit and like to make their hair. And another thing, make sure the hair is not tight. After making their hair, they're supposed to sleep well. I know for the first day, because you know they just lose their hair and they are making it again. It should not be that easy. You know, they might complain like they have a little pain and all that. Yeah, but it's just normal because you just made that hair that day, right? But after that, they will complain again. So don't make their hair black. Sometimes she will tell me she wants to drink something. Sometimes she will tell me she don't want phone, she wants mirror. Sometimes I just bring everything close to myself. Then whenever she wants this, I give it to her. Whenever she will give it to her. Trust me, when she'll go to, she will just leave and go and stand in front of mirror. Whenever she sees her hair like that, she's just like, Mommy, thank you for making my hair. Look, my hair so beautiful. So guys, so the reason I'm showing inside of this one is because I didn't show you the way I make the other side, which is inside. So that is why I'm showing inside of this one the way I made it. So just to cut it, because that face is very short, you know, we cut a long part from the front of the hair, so inside is very short. So just to cut it short and weave it to the other side to make it like three shuku. So it's very simple. The hair is very simple and but beautiful. So guys, I hope you liked the video, and tell me what you think in the comment section. And if you watched to this time, that means you are enjoying the video. Thank you so much for your support. And if this is your first time of coming across Season Good TV, my channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notification whenever we upload a new video. You know, in this our channel, all we do here is all about hair. I make my kids' hair. I'm a mom of 3 based in Bayan, and yeah, just stay glued to our channel and see what we are doing. So to our returning subscriber, thank you so much for your always support, for your endless support. We appreciate you. So guys, this is how the front looks for the bead. So this is what I do. Before I start making hair, I spray with this Rosmarin water, and at the long run I also spray, because you know their hair is natural hair, so we need to keep spraying it to avoid pain, because if it's dry it will be hard, and when it's hard it gives them pain. And when they are feeling pain before you start making their hair, it makes them cry. That's why you see some kids, they will cry from beginning of their hair to the end. I know some kids naturally they don't like to make their hair, but we just have to help them to want to make their hair by making it easy for them to wear. You know, they are kids, although they want to be beautiful, but they don't like to have that kind of pain. You know, so you should always have water close to you and also oil close to you. So we put it oil and making it also helps the hair, you know, it helps the hair, it strengthens the hair, and also don't make your kids to have pain. So guys, I hope I explained it well enough, and Thank you so much, and I hope to see you guys in our next video. So just enjoy the video. So another thing is, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like this video, and yeah, comment, drop your comment in the comment section, and if you like the hair and what do you think about the hair, or if there's any other hair also you also want us to make, just give us a comment and tell us what you think about the hair. Thank you so much, and bye for now. Thanks for watching.
Done? 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 1, 2, 3. Now, cut this side. First, demos room. Do me hats. You don't really listen like this, okay? Love you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.